No question. President Donald Trump empowered Israel's legal claims over Jerusalem in a definitive way with his speech on Wednesday. The most powerful country in the world now officially backs those claims to Jerusalem as Israel's capital. Be the first to know. Join our Facebook page. Function D S ID var JS FJS equal D get elements tag name S 0 if D get element bid ID return JS equal D createlment S JS.id equal ID JSSRC equal / connect facebook.net/n_us/all JS number XFBML equal 1 and app ID equal 1634148068997 FJS parent node insert before JS FJS document script Facebook JS SDK. Anyone who says the whole world disputes Israel's 1981 annexation is no longer correct, and Trump even went farther than the original rumors suggested. U.S. President Donald Trump recognizes Jerusalem as Israel's capital and announces embassy to relocate. Originally it was thought he would merely make a statement of recognition but indefinitely delay moving the U.S. embassy, creating a very odd situation indeed for a country to recognize a capital and yet keep its embassy elsewhere, without planning to ever move it. Would have been favorable to Israel but also would have created a first ever super limbo legal position, according to Northwestern University professor and Kahilat Policy Forum legal scholar Eugene Kontorovich. Kontorovich said there is one other disputed and split capital city situation, Cyprus's capital Nicosia. But unlike in Israel, many countries there keep embassies on Cyprus's side of Nicosia while the world ignores North Nicosia as Turkish-occupied Cyprus. Meanwhile, those countries maintain their embassies in Turkey, in that country's capital Ankara, and the world doesn't bat an eyelash. With Israel, countries balance a very strange legal limbo. They officially have embassies in Tel Aviv but are perfectly willing to do business with the Israeli government in Jerusalem. Trump went further than the rumors. Law, even a super limbo unbalanced version of it, can be impacted by facts on the ground. While Trump did not set a date for moving the embassy, he made it clear there will be a physical move and a large new U.S. building in Jerusalem, and that the process will start soon, even if it takes time. And yet he also managed to continue the legal limbo. All of this has been more about legal perception than about resolving legal rights. Trump did nothing to resolve those legal rights. He said the parties must still resolve where the specific lines of Israeli sovereignty in Jerusalem will finally be decided. Also, it appears that other than a few non-influential countries, most of the world will ignore Trump's example and stick to their embassy in Tel Aviv status quo. This undermines how much Trump's speech can help Israeli legal claims. So while he has, from the U.S. point of view, eliminated the scenario in which Israel needed to get Western Jerusalem recognized as its capital at the end of peace negotiations, he left untouched the heart of Israel's legal rights. Whether Jerusalem will be split with the Palestinians still very much on the table. Share on Facebook, share on Twitter. Tags: Donald Trump, U.S. Embassy, Foreign Embassy, U.S. Embassy move to Jerusalem, Jerusalem Embassy Act.